Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name: blue color, yellow color, red color, yellow ochre color, green color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow ochre color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for monkey, and use green color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rat, and use blue color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella, and use yellow color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wolf, Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray. And use red color. Red color. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, now draw numbers. Kids, first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. Blue color. O and 1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. It's Nidra 6. S I X 6. Kids, Nidra 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids, Nidra 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.